How to download offline maps on iPhone. Here's how to download offline maps on your iPhone. First, open the Google Maps app on your iPhone. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Now, tap Offline Maps. Tap Select Your Own Map. Move and zoom the map until the area you want to download fits inside the highlighted box. Once you're happy with the selected area, tap Download. Google Maps will begin downloading the map to your iPhone. The download time will depend on the size of the selected area and your internet connection. After the download is complete, you can use the offline map for navigation and searching within the downloaded area, even when you don't have a mobile data or Wi-Fi connection. To manage your downloaded maps, return to the Offline Maps section, where you can update, rename, or delete them at any time. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded offline maps on your iPhone using Google Maps. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, app tutorials, and how-to videos.